come back. Look, it's like still the intermission. I uploaded the video and I came back with that first. This dress, it's so pretty. Like, I cannot believe I made these dresses. Well, it's that. I'm seeing that for the first time. Don't think that. Wait, I forgot I had to save it. Don't worry. On to the side, okay. Relax. Rustic styles for a day in the country. Okay, I think I know. A day in a country, I would wear something cute like this top. Now, like the challenge is I cannot go inside the dressing room for this round, so I'm gonna go for like a light blue type. But I'm only gonna go in for like the lashes. Okay, I'm not gonna go in for the lashes. Then you guys will be like, cheating, bro. You went inside, bro. I don't think I'm going to go to school tomorrow because like my exams are over. I need a break, bro. I think I'm gonna go for like the same hair combo. This face is also pretty good. I like the face. Same hair combo because that hair combo was so damn pretty. What was in the hair combo again? This hair, this. Oh, sorry, it was not this hair. This hair, and this hair. Yeah, and I'm gonna like start coloring these guys. I'm gonna go for like this yellow right here. Pretty. That looks so pretty, bro. I cannot believe I did this hair combo by myself out of nowhere. This is my first hair combo that I ever made in my life. Like, I do not make hair combos. I use others. And now you are the person who's gonna use it, I guess. If you guys like it. Maybe. Supposed to wear now down. I wanna go for like a cutie type of vibe. She seriously wore the first set, but in like a neon, like this type of green, like exactly same green. That was so traumatizing. I was like, bro, what the heck? This bracelet. The hard shoes, but okay, for now we're gonna just use this. Oh my god, bro, I look so pretty. Now if I do not get golden, at least 4th place I'm gonna seriously crash out. This is really pretty, okay? Like, say it in the comments. It is pretty, right? Right? Why did I keep that? Ew, I don't want that. I am actually a Cat's Eye fan too, guys. Yeah, I am a Cat's Eye fan. But I like editing both of them, but I like more of Blackpink. But now from now on, I'm gonna make many Cat's Eye edits too. I'm planning to make like many Cat's Eye edits too. I'm planning to make a video where like all the secrets are there in the thing. This. Oh. I wish the clothing limit. never reached the clothing limit in my life, and I'm reaching it in front of you guys. Wow, guys. Oh shit. No, I don't want to. No. 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 I like hate this guy right here. Like if you notice, like, what's that shadow over there? I hate that. Oh shit. But whenever the song comes up, I be like, oh my god, earrings. I don't think they're pregnant. Is it really right? Right? Oh, it's first me. This time I want you. That's what it is. Right there. I'm just gonna do that. There's some random people in the color, so they be like, rate it, or else I'm not gonna give you it. I just got scammed. Well, that's so pretty. It's giving Lara Rajwans. Oh, she wore Lara Rajwans. No, that's not her hair. That's not her hair. Is it? Is it not? Bro, it's not. Okay, I'm gonna come back to you when this guy is into that. We can play like another round, okay? So bye. Okay, so we came podium finally, bro. This server is not rigged, okay? Finally. Wait, baddie pass, baddie pass, baddie. There's something in the baddie pass. Baddie pass. Oh my god, I got that thing. This is so pretty, I will use it in the next round. I'm gonna just try it on if it looks, if it matches the theme, then we're gonna like wear it. If it does not, I'm just gonna try it on. Yeah, and just sipping on juice till I forgot the straw. Oh shit, I broke the straw. Let me go bring another one. Oh yeah, I got it. Okay, so what? Now what? After the intermission, I'm gonna come back. Bye. I wanna save time so that we can play like another round. This game is Harajuku. My favorite thing. I love this thing. No, it's not giving it. It's not giving it. Wait, can I like the start her? No, it's not giving it. Her eyes are kind of like scary. Like, oh, this one. This one. No, not that one. Bro, I can't see, bro. I kind of have sight, I guess. I don't know. I think I could. Yeah, this guy. I'm gonna do the same one. Bro, like, the juice is so delicious, bro. I want more. Actually, I have it. I still did not finish it. Now for this, I got to go in the dressing room, because it's like Harajuku. Without the dressing rooms, we cannot do like Harajuku. Oh, I need like. I'll take these nails, and then the Harajuku shoes. Lashes, 8 Harajuku shoes. There's no Harajuku like top right, so I'm gonna make it myself. Yellow, pink, yeah, like that. That looks pretty. Harajuku earrings, Harajuku necklace. I guess we can use this guy. But where's like the Harajuku necklace? I mean, it's not gonna be visible, but still, bro, we need that card. I guess I'm done. That looks pretty. Golden nails. I love these nails, bro. Now I guess we're gonna get podium. I don't know a lot about this guy. I don't think we're gonna get podium because of the skirt. The skirt kind of looks chopped type. Is there like any light thing here? Oh my god, that looks so pretty. I never used that guy. I'm gonna save that pattern. That pattern is like so good. The rest of the pattern sucks. These three patterns, my favorite. I do like it. No, I'm just gonna say no. I wanna be like a needle. Okay, maybe not. I'm gonna pause when I come on like the stage. I'm gonna. So look at me now. Let's see what the people say. Is that an outfit? Right? Oh my god, thank you, Ruby Jane. I know she's not gonna see the video, but anytime if I become famous, thank you, bro. Okay, now when when these people are done, at that time I'm gonna come because like I cannot do more than 15 minutes and we have already done 13 minutes. Okay, so yeah, bye. So yay, it's gonna come. We did not come podium, I guess. Bro, that's like the same. Bro, why is this keyboard coming? Bro, like at least 5th or 6th. Okay, 5th.